Hey, hey, hey!
Good morning! How are you, beautiful peeps? It's a new day and we're grateful to be alive and well. Yeah. We're proof that we have been working hard. Paint from yesterday. Yeah. And she made that it's still paint up. So
We're
today,
not professional painters, guys.
yeah, and that's why.
Yeah.
So today, right now, we're on our way to Dunelm. We did our dining room. Let me drive in the meantime because I'll have somewhere else to go.
Ride
after
and
that.
whistle.
Yeah. We did our dining room makeover, and we have a little breakfast nook counter area. And I bought some stools from Dunelm. Plug Dunelm. Not really. But I bought some stools from there, and one of them just doesn't fit. It wonky.
Won't come together properly.
Yeah, so I'm taking it back. Hopefully they can just exchange it for me. And then I want to come back and go to a Chinese supermarket because we want some delicacies for this month. No, next month. Come dine with me. This month is tomorrow. Next month is tomorrow, by the way. No, it's the day after. Yeah, but we want to get some delicacies from there for starter as well as for main.
We have some of this stuff.
Yeah, Shirley, our daughter, bought some of the stuff for the lovely little meal that we're going to have, and you're going to
Not
see
giving it away.
yeah, and you're going to see some new things and so on.
Yeah, but we need some more stuff for that.
Yeah,
So we're going to that Chinese shop to get them.
and hopefully we can show you a little bit there.
It's a beautiful day, by the way, although it says it's gonna rain later.
Yeah, so better late than never. Better go out early before the rain starts.
Yeah.
So we'll catch you on the journey or in the shop or somewhere, but have yourselves a wonderful day.
Love you guys. Really love you. Thanks for the support. And if you have come this far in the video, guys, and you haven't subscribed yet, what's
Please
holding you
do.
back? Yeah, please subscribe. All right, see you later.
Going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long.
So we have exchanged, well, given back the stool, and then I had to reorder another one and then get the refund for that one. And as well, Joe found some
Pampas grass.
pampas green and, well, shades of green. Where's it? Oh, three of them. That she thinks will look good in our newly renovated dining room. So we're gonna check that out when we get home.
But I wanted to say I said in the store to Lisa, we look stupid and silly in the mask. There was absolutely nobody else.
And I said I prefer to be silly and safe.
Anybody, do you still wear masks when you go to, indoors, like shopping?
With other people.
Yeah.
And it is recommended. On the door there's a sign that says we not really, what was the word? Can't see from here.
But suggest.
Yeah. Like suggest that you wear a mask to keep yourselves and others safe. I don't mind.
We
Today's
just
a
look
hot
silly
day,
because there wasn't anybody else in it.
but I'll manage. Once I'm out, I take it off. I'm in the car, I take it off. But if I'm in places where others are, I prefer to be masked. Next stop, Chinese supermarket. You come in?
Come on then.
Turn off the data on that, please.
Oh yeah, I have my seatbelt.
Oh, I haven't got mine on. People, you couldn't tell me that my seatbelt isn't on. That's naughty, people. Now we're good. Praise the Lord. You know the rest of that?
Data off. Okay. It's darkening, clouds are looming, rain is on the horizon.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
We're in a Chinese supermarket.
Day, something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really
Guys, we are well and truly lost. It's a massive supermarket, all Chinese and Oriental stuff, and we haven't got a clue what to look for. Oh, see some udon noodles. You know what we want to? The mushroom. Enoki mushroom. So you don't want to take one of these, or we have enough noodles? Okay, we just found a lady who was really helpful, but she's telling us, well, she just showed us where we can get some dumpling things to put in our shabu shabu or hot pot. But it's all pork. Let me show you. This one is chicken and shiitake. Oh, chicken and shiitake. That's the only one I've seen so far. That's not pork. All right. So take that one. How much is it? All pork, all pork, all pork. All along pork.
but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
I guess
You try to stay strong and fake a smile until
Sweet chili?
Yeah, maybe you can go on that side. I think
On the
there's a
first
more
aisle.
more sauce for the hot pot.
Okay.
But like Korean, they don't do much hot pot. So this is just for fried, like
Spicy.
like fried chicken or
Oh.
chicken or something like
yeah.
that.
Okay.
And this is very very spicy.
Wow. Okay.
Very.
Thanks for that. You take the kim? Oh, you take the kimchi. Yeah.
I know you told your
Wow,
friend
it's
you're
the plate
not
then.
okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Here now, guys, is a quick overview of what we got at the Chinese supermarket. These will feature in this month's Come Dine With Me, so look out for that. So next day we got this water feature for the garden that we've always wanted. And here Julian is setting it up for us. In our house, Julian is really the setup person. She likes those types of things. So she's setting it up for me and I'm so grateful. And I'm going to show you right now what it looks like. And right now it's in the garden and it's working. So here it is set up. And I like to think that I gave her the instructions, but honestly, she's really good at those things. And here it is now in the garden. It's a lovely water feature that works by solar energy. So there's a part that gathers the sun rays, not the sun rays. There's a part that gathers,
the energy from the sun.
the energy from the sun. And that allows the water to go up through a tube to the top little bucket, and it trickles down, trickle down to the bottom one, and then up again in a cycle. So it's really nice. I like it. And here I'm trying to set up this mirror to work with the fountain. Hey, come on, Lisa.
Welcome back to our kitchen.
So today we're having a little bit of a
bake off.
So I'm going to be making scones, and mine will have a twist. So instead of strawberry jam, I'm going to use clotted cream and pineapple jam.
Not in the scones, guys. She's going to serve it with that.
Yeah, I want to cut them and serve it with that. So yeah, and I'm going to be making, guess,
blueberry muffins.
Give it blueberry muffins, yeah. So I've got everything ready. Tell us in the comments which one you'd prefer before you see it baked, and then after it's baked, tell us which one you'd prefer: blueberry muffins or scones. Scones with sultana scones. Okay, sultana scones with pineapple jam and clotted cream. Stay tuned. Oh, I'll show you what the ingredients are, and then I'll get to mixing. So to start off, I have flour, which is self-raising flour, and I have baking powder. So I'm cutting the butter into smaller pieces, and then I can use my fingertips to rub it in. So just like so. Fingertips to rub the butter into the flour. Right, so the mixture looks like fine breadcrumbs, so it's time to add sugar and then a few sultanas and just mix that in. That's it. Then I'm going to make a well in the center and prepare a little milk with 1 egg. That's it. So in the center, make a well for this milk and 1 egg mixture. In here, I've got 1 egg broken. I'm going to add a dash of milk, just about that. Mix them together. If I need any more liquid, then I'll add just milk. That's it. Right, the mixture has come together, so I'm just going to flour the surface. And then place the dough on, and then just pat it flat. Not too flat, I want thick, well-risen scones. Right, this is the cutter I'm going to use, so just a plain glass if you haven't got. We've got lots of scone cutters, but I'm just choosing to use that. Then I'm going to grease my tray. I've resorted to oil because our spray grease is done. So just that, and then cut the shapes with my glass. One, two, three, and I'll bring this together to make another one. Four scones, gonna brush with butter. Sorry, milk. Brush the tops with milk and get them in the oven. About 13 to 15 minutes, yes. Start off by putting butter and sugar. I'm going to cream in my stand mixer. The mixture is light and fluffy, so I'm going to add 2 eggs to a splash of milk and then beat it for about a minute. Egg and a splash of milk. Back on. 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to add the yogurt and about a teaspoon of vanilla. This for half a minute, and then I'll just fold in the flour and the blueberries. The mixture has everything except the flour and the blueberries, which I'm going to fold in. Blueberries washed and going in.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Good morning, beautiful peeps. I hope you're having a good day. I'm having a good day so far, although I just woke up, got ready, and I'm about to start my day. It's been raining for about 3 or 4 days now, and the 10-day forecast says rain, rain, rain. So not looking forward to much outdoors. But today my car's MOT is, well, it's due on Wednesday, and I think I'm going to do it today. I've scheduled it in, but first, juice. So that's the order of the day. And as well, peeps, we don't usually put pears in our green juice, but I have 2 pears that need to be used up, so I'm going to add them in, and I'm going to see when Jo notices. I'm not going to tell her. Then I'm going to see when she notices that there's pear in the green juice. Cheers. Good news, guys. I just had my car MOT done, and it has passed. So I don't need to pay anything but the MOT price itself, which is £40. I'm very pleased because I'm broke. I don't have any money. So I'm happy. So heading on home now. See you later. Peeps, I'm back. And my car passed like I told you. And now we're back home. Well, I'm back home. And Jo is making lunch. But I thought it would be good to go out to the park, perhaps, and have a little picnic. So that's what we're doing now. We're packing a little picnic. Let me show you what we got. So we have an assortment of crisp sandwiches with bagel and corned beef, orange, and what? Oh, drinks. Don't know what drink we'll get. But you'll see. We're going to the park, and we might have to eat in the car because it's going to rain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me, well
So we've reached. The rain is still threatening, but we're eating outdoors. I just had my orange. Now I'm gonna have my sandwich.
I'll eat out the middle of the orange. You know the gut.
The orange gut.
I like the gut. Let me show you.
I ate my orange. So now it is gutless. So now for my sandwich. Yay, that was a lovely little lunch date. Yeah, so now we're going home. So we're going to end the vlog here for this week, and we want to thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you again next week. As usual, I'll leave some of the lovely comments you guys have left us. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
As you fade away.